Hello, everyone. In the quiz, What is this? You listen to questions about popular dishes in Japan and guess the names of the dishes. Today I will be asking two questions. What is this? Question 1. What is a popular Japanese snack made from batter and cooked in a special molded pan to form round balls, typically filled with minced or diced octopus, tempura scraps, pickled ginger, and green onion, and often topped with a savory sauce, mayonnaise, green laver, and bonito flakes? Please tell me your answer. Thank you. The answer to this quiz is octopus dumplings. Takoyaki. Did you get it right? Okay. Here's the next quiz. Question 2. What is a dish originating from French cuisine that is typically prepared in a shallow dish, and consists of ingredients such as pasta, vegetables, or meat, covered with a browned crust of breadcrumbs and cheese, often baked or broiled until golden? Please tell me your answer. Thank you. The answer to this quiz is gratin. Did you get it right? That's all for today. See you next time.